Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I'm glad you're here today. I'm gonna do a makeup try-on video featuring the one and only Jeffree Star. I have a couple of palettes I'm using, and so let's just get to it. Okay, friends, as you see, I'm wearing purple. I don't wear purple. I never wear purple, but until, was it July, when my niece passed away, we wore purple. It was her favorite color, so we wore that to her memorial service. And so anyway, I wore this and I was like, well, I gotta try purple makeup, right? So I went to a couple of my purple palettes. This one, Blood Lust, is full of purples. This is from Jeffree Star. And also I have a couple of colors I'm going to complement it with this Banana Fetish palette. So anyway, I'm excited about that. I did put some makeup on already. Okay, so my base, I have the Estee Lauder Double Wear Maximum Coverage, and I take a little bit of this and I mix some of this is a Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Bronzing Drops. So anyway, I put that together with this, so that's my base. I used, because I'm doing a purple, I kind of thought I'd use the one size, the pink facial powder, and I've used the Anastasia bronzer, and also I use a little bit of this Natasha Denona bronzer. Then I've used my Patrick Ta blush, which I love because it has a kind of a wet side and then a dry side, and it's very pink. So anyway, I use that. And for highlighter, I use this it's Illuminati. Anyway, I love this tube. I've actually had this forever, and I just started using it the last few months and absolutely love this highlighter. I just put some here, and then I take the Natasha Denona highlighter from this palette and just do that on top. So that's basically my look. I guess I did do eyebrows. I put on, this is from Winky Lux. This is just a pencil here, and then this eyebrow. These are some of my favorite right now go-tos, so just thought I'd share what's on my face. The Tarte base, Tarte tape, shape tape. Anyway, so now we're gonna get to the eye look. And so let's get going here. I'm gonna put my hair back, just a little bit out of my eyes. I'm doing it backwards, that's why I'm like, something's wrong here. When you're looking at the camera, it's all, everything's turned around backwards. So anyway, there's that. And so I'm gonna start my eye look with an eye primer. This is from Gerard Cosmetics. It's the white, very white. I've been using this for quite a while. It lasts forever. I don't know what I'm gonna do when I run out of it, but it kind of makes your, it's supposed to be like a primer and also kind of makes your eyeshadow stand out. So I'm just going to take a drop. I probably put too much. A drop on each eye. Rub that in. Okay. Okay, my eyes look kind of white, but we'll fix that. So there's that. Now I'm just gonna go into, I gotta grab some brushes here, I forgot about that. Okay, I'm gonna use my Sonia G, my one and only that I have. Okay. All right, so we're gonna go into the Blood Lust right here. This palette is packaged, all his stuff is all packaged, so fancy and wonderful. So there it is, the velvet, we've got the velvet case, and right here. So here it is, and we're gonna open it up, and we're gonna find lots of purple. So when I first got this palette, I wasn't really excited. It was in a surprise or mystery box. And I was like, because I'm not a purple girl, right? But when I ended up wearing the purple for the memorial service, I ended up loving my look. And I got a lot of compliments on it. So I know I'm a pink girl. I already know that. I do wear pink well, but I never knew that I could do purple off. But I'm going to try. So here we go. I don't know which colors to start with. I'm probably going to do 2 or 3. I'm going to take, these have pinks in it too, which I actually really like the pinks. Obviously, if you've been with me for a while, you know I'm into the pink look. And I just want to mention, I just read that one of the fall trends in makeup is going to be pink makeup. So I guess I beat the trend. So I've been doing pink, but I'm going to continue to do pink because I like it on me. So anyway, I'm just going to go into this. Let me see. I'm going to go take this lighter purple up here. And then I'm going to mix it with this little darker one. I'm going to mix these two together. And I'm going to go into the crease here. Those colors blend really nice together. It's very purple, very, very purple in the crease. I'm going to blend it here. Now I'm going to take, I think I'm going to go into a dark color here, and I'm going to go with the darkest purple in here. And I'm going to take that on the brush, and then I'm going to just pat this into the corner here. Tap, tap. There's quite a contrast there. Whoa, pretty powerful, right? Okay. I'm definitely going very, very stronger purple than I thought I would. Let me try. I'm going to try just a real light purple here. I'm going to see if I can kind of tone it down a little bit up here. It doesn't want to have anything to do with that. I'm going to take the brush tip here with the darkest purple, and I'm going to kind of go under my eye here. I just like to do the outer corner. Okay, this is super powerful. I think I went higher than I wanted to. We'll see if I can fix it before we're through. I can, let me see. It's got kind of a gray, light gray color. I'm going to see if I can put that right here. Okay, now I'm going to go to the Banana Fetish palette. I always like to do a lighter color in my corners of my eye. And so I'm going to take this, and this is this palette. I wasn't super excited about this palette either, but I'm going to tell you something. These lighter shades here are shimmer. I've got this one and this one right here. They're beautiful, beautiful. This one down here. So anyway, I'm going to take this lightest color right here, and I'm going to go take it and put it kind of in the inner corner of my eye. Kind of blend it into the purple. There we go. And I'm going to do that on this other eye. Okay, then I'm going to take, I don't know, there's one that's kind of a golden-y color. I think I'm going to try it right in the middle here. It's a little more golden than, oh, this got on the bottom of my eye. I'm going to take this and do the inner corner. Okay, so now I need to do some blending. It needs a little bit more purple. So we're just going to play with it just a little bit more here. Let's see. Okay, let's go. Taking another different color, kind of a pinky color in the purple, and I'm going to go back over my crease a little bit. Now that I have that lighter color on, I want to kind of go back into this right here. Okay, so there it is. There's the purple look. I am going to go off camera. I'm going to put on one of my favorite eyeliners, which is the, it's the Tattoo Pencil Liner. Okay. From KVD. So I'll put that on. Then I'm going to take this cute little mascara, and I'm going to put, I haven't used this yet. This is the Jeffree Star mascara. So I'm going to put that on also with a little bit of, I think I'm going to do a base coat of the MAC. I like this. This is kind of a lengthening extension mascara, and then I'll put this on over. So I will be back, and then we'll do our lips too. So anyway, I'll be back. Okay, I am back. So here is my purple look. I wasn't super happy with how I did the lighter color in the corners, so I went ahead and went back into my purple, the Blood Lust palette, and I picked up, they're kind of pinkish, but I picked up these three colors, this one, and this one. And I just did a kind of a mix and put that in my corners. I still left the kind of the white right here, but so my lower lids are more in those shades. So there's that. I still have yet to put on my lip. And so, oh, I also just want to say I do like this mascara, this Jeffree Star mascara. It's got it's got a really good wand. I like it. I like the way it went on. So anyway, there's another mascara that's good. And so I have 3 lip products. You know, I do a lot of pink. I don't really have purpley lips. So I'm like, what's going to go with it? So I have these 3. This one right here is a real light pink. I don't think that that's going to work well. Then I have this one, which is kind of more a hot pink. You can see that. I don't think that's going to go well. This one goes so good with my pink looks. So what's going to have to be this one, which is the darker. It's still kind of a pink, but it's a little bit darker. It has a little bit of purplish in it. So I'm going to also take I'm going to try this. I really liked it though. I got this from this, it's the lip pencil that I got in my ALLURE box that I just shared recently. And I think this is, guys, I can't see who it's from. I don't remember. It's from Stella, and it's called Dear Midnight. So I don't know. We'll see. It doesn't look as pink but anyway, we'll see what happens with this. It's kind of a mauve color. Okay, let's see if I can pull off this lippy. So I'm not sure how it goes with purple, but that's what we're going to do. I'm actually going out tonight, so this is what I'll be wearing. I'm also going to take this Beauty for Certain, this lip gloss that we also got in our ALLURE beauty box. I have used a lot of these, but never the clear one. I'm going to put the clear one. I'm probably going to get it all. Put the clear one on top. So there's the lips. Tell me, does it throw things off? I don't know what lip color I need. I have to go back through my lip products and see if I have anything a little more purplish. But anyway, there's my purple look, my purple dress. Anyway, this was fun. I love these palettes. You can't go wrong. I mean, with Jeffree Star, he just has some really fun makeup and especially fun packaging. And he's got these cute mirrors I use. So anyway, that's it for today. Thank you for being here. I appreciate your support. I'd love if you'd subscribe, hit the like button, do those things to support my channel if you wish. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.